My name's Aaron. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? I'm fantastic and I'm doing really well. And today is a little update video and I'm going to try and go through some stuff as quickly as possible. Numero uno. We hit 100,000 subscribers. I never thought that was ever going to happen. And we got through the post, the little silver tick thing. It's called a Play Award or something. I really want to thank everyone for subscribing. It's really mad that this has happened. Thank you everyone who support my business and my staff. We have an ever-increasing staff and the future is really amazing. But again, thank you very much. Absolutely amazing. Can't really explain. Very exciting. But again, everyone who subscribed, thank you. I stand in front of a camera, but all of you sort of help me by subscribing and liking all the rest of it. So we have a unicorn sale coming up. And I got some exciting news for all of it. We're going to start it midnight on the 23rd, so that's the morning of the 24th, till Sunday the 26th at midnight when we cut it off. And we're going to open up to international. We managed to negotiate with FedEx and DHL, and we've got the postage for 35. And what we're going to do is we're going to absorb £5 of it to make the postage 30, but we're going to do minimum orders of 350. So if you've got an order of 350, the postage is 30. Going to keep it nice and simple. We can do America, Canada, Australia, all of Europe, and we think Mexico. We sent something to Mexico and we're just seeing if it gets through. To import into Mexico is a little bit confusing and difficult. So we're trying the best that we can with that. We should know definitely on the date and we'll let you know via Instagram. So a couple of things. The Unicorn Weekend is our busiest period of the whole year. We are not going to be able to merge orders. So if you place an order and then a few hours later place another one, which some people do, we can't combine and we're so busy. What we're going to do is we did last year is we're going to put the number of where we're up to, so the order number of UK and the order number of international on the website so you're able to see exactly where you are. Please don't email in with asking where your order is because we're going to try to get through them as quickly as possible. And the information you'll get will be at I think it's called the header, on the header. Please be aware that it's so busy and we've got 8 members of staff doing as many orders as we can. We're going to try to do UK orders first and then get onto the international, which just takes absolutely ages. The orders for international they're going to come every day, Saturday, I don't think Sunday, and Monday, and then they're going to process it. We sent something to Mexico and to get to the border of Mexico took a week. So generally it takes about a week, but it's a really insane busy period for all businesses, so it may take longer. The discount for Unicorn Weekend is going to be 20% off. So I want to go through a couple of things. We have these discovery boxes and they have the little bottles printed. I love these. And we have Odyssey, Aura, Oud Noir, Hard Candy, Addicted, Supernova, Slut, Wapo, Onyx. I think this is an amazing present. There's something for everyone in there. These are our best-selling fragrances, apart from Hard Candy, Elixir, but I had to sort of make it 9, I think. So these are 20% off as well. I think these are a great gift. We have people who spend a lot of money over these periods. So for orders over 1,000, we're going to do an exclusive fragrance called Loki. This is only available for people who spend over 1,000 because I like to say thank you to everyone, but I love to say thank you to, people who are very, very generous. So apply the fragrance and go through the notes. Sweet, vanillic, oudi, woody, tonka, vetiver, cedarwood, nutmeg and frankincense. Very, very easy to wear. I have one more sweet fragrance come out next year, and that's kind of it. I'm kind of really bored with dealing with all these vanilla molecules and kumara, and I kind of want to really move on to something else. So this is beautifully projecting beautiful amount of sillage, sweet, intoxicating, slightly smoky as well, narcotic, all that sort of stuff. Very, very nice. I'll go through the final points. 20% off. It lasts from midnight to midnight for, I think, 2 days. We're going to put the order numbers where we're at the end of the day. We're going to do international. We can do Australia, New Zealand, Canada, America, and Europe. We have free fragrance as well for people who spend over 1,000. Please bear with us because we haven't had international shipping, I think, for 2 or 3 months, and I think it's going to be absolutely crazy. Everything's going to be available. They're going to do a maximum order of 3. You know, we've got a limited amount of a lot of the fragrances, especially the new 30 mils. It's open to absolutely everyone. After this period, we don't know when we're doing international again. We think it may be February. We don't know how we're going to do it. We're just handling one thing at a time, which is this sale weekend. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll see you for a review.